Hi guys, good afternoon. Today is Cassandra's birthday. Happy birthday, Cassandra. Where are you, Cassandra?
Here.
Happy birthday, Cassandra. Woo! Okay, likod. Say thank you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Ito yung mga handa niya. Handa ni Cassandra. Mga nakatakip pa. Hindi naman siya yung grande pero ang dami. Diba? It's Cassandra's birthday at cake niya. Cassandra's cake. Diba? Mamaya kita tayo sa arcade. Hindi siya magsa-celebrate.
Hey guys, this is my cake. Don't
That's your
you
cake?
see it?
Hi guys, dito na kami sa birthday venue ng anak ko. Ito na yung venue. Yay! Venue! Arcade. Set up na sila. Set up na. Tapos mamaya, laro na mga bata. Ito buhay di sa Canada. Kasi dito pag may mga birthday, kasi nagkikita-kita yung mga Pilipino. Yan. Libot kayo. Ganda. Hi! Are you happy? This is yours? Yours? I see. Okay, put it there na sa ano. Ganda. Ganda oh, setup time. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Ang team ni Cassandra is Mario. Princess.
Ano? Ano? Pwede na ba yan? Okay na yung white curtain na. Mas papatungan naman na.
Yung mga bisita.
Parang konti lang. Ano yung sa kanya, parang 7 days yung bro. Ano yan?
Wala pa masyado mga bisita. Kamusta papa mo?
Okay naman.
Asa work siya ngayon?
Let's play this one.
Hi Heaven, how are you? Long time no see.
Ma, do this.
Sige, mahulog ka dyan. Sige. Doon ka sa slide. Bakit ka dyan? Hurry up, tawag ka ni Mama. Hurry up. Sige. Sige, oh. Sige, hindi mo ako. Ayaw mo lang tignan. Oo. Uy, hindi yan sinushoot.
Hindi siya siya ganun.
Pupunta ba kayo sa ano? Sabihin na tayo pag pumunta kayo sa... Hi! Ganda na anak ni Nono. Ang kita mo kayo.
Ano na? Ayun na naman.
Sawa naman tao dito eh. Hanggang gawa-gawa pa lang. Baka 2 months pa lang, 2 months pa lang. Hi!
Siya, bisa mo kasi.
Hi po.
Nakita ko.
Hi po. Hi po.
Hello po.
Ayun, Boss Paul ko! Hi, Boss Paul! Uwi ng Pilipinas! Sarap naman!
Nauna ka pa ka eh. Pops,
Gulat mo ako. Pinapad na
pag lagi na nanalo, bibigyan ka ng kakamping butaw.
butaw tapos ang lalakas ng kalaban mo. Oh, mga ma-absent.
Hi, G. Pinidyan si Kasano. Kanya-kanyang video mga nanay.
To you, sing, sing. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to
Hindi ko ma-
Wish mo na wish mo na. Dan? Dan? Blow na. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Good job! Baba yung dalawa.
Sama si Mami. English yung sabi mo, smile. Smile! Dito, yung iba!
Marcos!
Show your teeth.
Dito sa kabila iba.
Ilabas ang ngipin. Kasi ilabas ang ngipin.
Oh, smile! Doon ka Pakinis ka mo, pakinis ka birthday niya. Ay, she want to eat. Asher. Maliit naman ang plate ko. Yung malaki ni.
Video papa puso. May sa puti na kamay nyo.
Buksan mo na lahat. Buksan mo na yung mga takip ng pagkain. Ay, mamaya mo natakpan pagkatapos. Pagkatapos mo natakpan pag may manatira.
Yung mga tubig to? Ha?
Hindi ate sa akin.
Ito, kanino to?
Hindi ko alam yan. Okay, Ricky yan.
Tagal natin mga takip. You remember your green ba? Ito meron na natin mga ano pa? You want to ano yung one is
Lab si ano lab oh? Yun yung si ano oh. Yung kaibigan mo doon dito. Yun yung nasa ano. Yung anak na Amerikan. Anak na ano.
Ito na kay mami na. Kay ate.
Mama, look at my food.
Ako muna ang photographer, wala si Conrad eh.
Tulog kasi yung isa.
Tulog isa.
Kasi nag-mauwi siya.
Ganda na.
Sabi ko matutulog to.
Ang ganda ng camera ng asawa mo eh. Nasabi yung nga yung Conrad sa akin. Kaya,
Napulog na.
pag nakikita ko siya nagka-camera, sabi ko, ang ganda ng camera mo ah. Pricey yan sila, pricey.
I'm asking you just try.
The baby's so cute. Hey.
Nakakabilib yan anak mo, no? Ano? Nakakabilib yan anak mo pag nasa school mo? Kahit mag-isa lang siya eh, no?
Talaga kuya?
Nakakatuwa eh. Kayang-kaya niya mag-sarili niya. Hindi mo kailangan ano? Hindi mo kailangan, parang hindi mo kailangan.
Lalaro?
Hindi siya katulad ng mga tunilakasahan doon na pag naglalaro parang siya medyo makikita mo yung pagkapinis na eh. Oo. Pati ang galing pag ano, pag mag-isa lang siya, makikita mo tayo hindi yung pupunta ko saan. Si Sandra, pag nakikita ko mag-isa, pupunta pa doon sa may ano, pintuan sa may kabila. Sabi ko, saan ka pupunta? Oo, sabi ko, nako. Ito, makikita mo. Asa dito, pag may school na, ay school bus, pupunta na sa school bus, diretso na. Diba?
Nasanay na siya.
Parang matured na ako mag-isip. Ano yung galing itong bata to? Yes.
I mean, my God.
That's okay, that's okay. Video. Ano ko, sasama ko sa ano.
Birthday
Ah.
It's okay. You can do it. I see. She starts with the A.
I see.
A
na. Go on. I see. Try na.
I see. I like it. We'll talk about it.
Tapos na. Hold her, hold her.
Ay, pumasok na ano lang. Wala pa. Eh, lang. Hindi pumasok magkape.
Oo. Kasi anong oras na yan? 6. Pwede na yan para ano. Silang naman.
Papakainin ko sana eh. Santa, uwi na si ano, Shino. Oh, uwi na sila, oh. Simon. Yes, Simon. Welcome po.
Janice Jenny.
Closing time.
Mga pangalan na
Closing time na. Closing time. Closing time. Uwi na. Tapos na ang birthday ni Cassandra.
Baka mamaya paligyan tayo sa Facebook. Ano ba Pwede ba? Siyempre sabay, hindi pa yun ba?
May mga utang daw, dapat fully paid.
Picturean ko kayo magpamilya, may ilan na kaya.
May mga utang, dapat magbayad ng fully.
Anak, sobrang lasing yata.
Cassandra, say thank you. Thank you, Nay. Thank you.
Nakakahihiyan, nasa pamamahay kita, ako pinagtripan mo.
Say thank you. Bye-bye.
Ayun, birthday mo.
I love you, nanay.
I love you, Nanay. All of these candies are.
Oh, babi ka na sa kanila. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
O, check natin na. Camping, July, August. July. Hindi mo malamig yung August, be?
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa yun. Ang hirap i-open.
Marius is always just giving me big surprise.
Oh, wow. Okay, go.
What is it?
What is
Whoa.
that? Wow.
It's a gun.
Wow, big dog. Let me see.
Look. Was it creepy?
No, it's not.
Thank you.
Thank you, what? Thank you, who?
Thank you, Marius.
And Mariam.
Maria.
Oh, this one is, ito from Elizabeth and
Oh, thank you,
Janine.
Elizabeth. Oh, wait a minute.
What's that?
Wait, baby's name is. That's a. Oh,
Oh, it's a
my-
gift tissue.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
Wait.
Oh my gosh. Wait, Dolly.
Wait lang.
What is Elizabeth, do not get that big old piece. Oh, my god. You broke it. You broke it. I'll open the other present. Just joking.
There.
Musical Barbie.
Music box.
Music bag. Oh, what will you say?
What did I say?
Thank you, Elizabeth. I like it. Okay, open this.
From Ate Yana.
Wait a minute. I don't really. What's
Let me
this?
see. Let me see. Oh, so
It's Mr.
cute.
Black. It's so evil, you know. He can turn it black. That's why it's evil. So I don't like black, but it's the same as my hair. So I like black.
What did you
What
say
you
to Ate
say?
Yana?
Thank
Diana.
you, Ariana. Oh my god. Oh, it's falling.
That's okay.
Okay, I'm sorry.
There's chocolate. Oh. Another one na naman.
Other one. Yeah.
Happy
What was
birthday
that?
from Alena. What did you say to Alena? Ang
Thank
cute,
you
oh.
po.
Kitty.
That's Hello Kitty, baby. It's your favorite.
Oh, that's your favorite, diba? Hello, Kitty.
Yeah.
Oh, this one oh, from Ate and Mia.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Let me see. Oh, so
Wow.
cute. What did you say to Ate Mia?
Thank you, Auntie Mia.
Oh, how about this one? From Tita
Oh.
Nona.
Auntie Danona. Okay, how do I open this? Mama, which one do I open?
Akin
Open
na.
you?
I'm gonna help you.
Thanks, Mom. Give it to me.
Wait lang. It's okay, fine.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Wow! Okay, what is this?
Let me see.
Oh, it's so cute.
What will you say?
Thank you.
And this one.
Oh, it's a pen. Nice and cute.
That's everything?
What will you say?
Thank you for my class. Thank you for subscribing, liking the video, and thank you for comment.
Thank you for
Happy-
all the gifts.
Thank you for all the gifts and you had to spell a happy birthday Cassandra.
And thank you for
So-
coming for my birthday.
So
Yeah, thank you for coming.
Thank you for coming on my birthday.
Oh, it's done now.
Oh,
You say bye-bye na to your vlog.
bye, vlog. Oh, you get chocolate.
Yan mo yung ano. Sandra, like this oh.
It's a candle.
Okay, you sing happy birthday.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cassandra. Happy birthday to you.
Yeah. Yay. That's okay. That's okay. One more. That's okay. One more. Okay. Okay, remove your mask, Cassandra, then.
Okay, no. Don't change. No. No.
Okay, go.
No.
Good job. Yay.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.